So I'm just going to pretty much show you how to do a column chart. I created my own tutorial kind of table just for you, so we don't get accused of cheating or anything for me showing you how to do this. So you're going to go to clustered column or whatever. It doesn't really matter, whatever the directions say. You're going to go to select data. This is how you pretty much start out with your graph. There's a legend series and your horizontal axis category labels or whatever. This is where all the names are gonna go, and this is where all the main information like the percentage liked and the percentage disliked. So I'm gonna go to add. Now it brings up this basic. This is very basic. Has nothing to do with like your chart or anything. You can go highlight this, delete it, then go over here, left click on the name that you want right there, and it's going to automatically replace the standard name with the name that you just highlighted. And then you go here, see it automatically did it for you, and then you erase that, then go to percentage liked, left click and hold, then drag all the way down to the last box that you want to include in your graph, and it'll automatically replace it. So there it is. Now the one thing that it doesn't have is the names that you want there. That's what we're going to do next. We're going to go click OK, and then going to over here, see how it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of individually editing each one or however you're going to do that, you're just going to go right here, edit, and then you're going to highlight the names. Same way, left click, hold, and drag. You just press OK, and it automatically replaces each like one with the name that you want. So there's your graph. Now, going into the future, if you ever need to add another one, like have a side-by-side compared view, which would be required for a graph like this, because for percentages, you don't know how many, what you're comparing it to. So I would go right here, the series name, percentage disliked, delete the series values, highlight, and there you go. So then you do the same thing, edit, label range. Okay, you don't really need to do that. I just did it just because your percentage liked overlaps that already. You don't really need to go in and edit this area again for a second time. But like I said, you're only doing the net pay in your superhero pay, so you don't really need to worry about adding another one. This is just for future reference. Alright, I hope this helped, man. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.